Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. If you are passionate about aquarium keeping, you have probably wondered about the best time to feed your fish. Feeding your aquarium fish at the right time can have a significant impact on their health and the overall balance of your tank. Today, we will explore the best time to feed your fish in a single day, covering all possible factors to help you make the best decision for your aquatic pets. So first is understanding fish behavior and natural feeding patterns. To determine the optimal feeding time, we first need to understand the natural behavior and feeding patterns of fish. First is diurnal fish. Most common aquarium fish such as tetras, guppies and cichlids are diurnal, meaning they are most active during the day. These fish naturally forage for food when there is light, so it's best to feed them during daylight hours. Feeding them in the morning, shortly after the lights are turned on, aligns with their natural rhythms and promote healthy digestion. Second, nocturnal fish. Some fish like catfish, loaches and certain species of eels are nocturnal. These fish are more active at night and prefer to feed after dark. If your tank includes nocturnal species, consider feeding them just before turning off the lights in the evening. This way, they can eat when they are most comfortable. Third is crepuscular fish. Some species, such as some types of placos, are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. For these fish, feeding just before or after the lights go on or off is ideal. This aligns with their natural feeding times and helps ensure they receive the nutrition they need. Second is feeding time based on tank conditions. Next, we will consider the specific conditions of your aquarium which can also influence the best time to feed your fish. First is lighting schedule. Your tank's lighting schedule plays a crucial role in determining feeding time. For diurnal fish, feeding them shortly after the lights come on in the morning. This is when they are naturally most active and ready to eat. If you have a mixed community tank with both diurnal and nocturnal fish, consider splitting the feeding into two sessions, once in the morning for the day active fish and once in the evening for the nocturnal ones. Second is tank maintenance schedule. If you perform regular maintenance tasks like water changes or cleaning, try to avoid feeding your fish immediately before or after these activities. Fish can become stressed during maintenance, and feeding them at this time might cause them to reject food. A good practice is to feed them a few hours after maintenance when they have had time to settle down. Third is water temperature and feeding. The water temperature in your tank affects your fish metabolism. Warmer water generally increases fish metabolism, leading to higher activity levels and greater appetite. Feeding your fish during their most active periods, usually when the water is warmest, can ensure they digest their food more efficiently. However, be cautious in tanks where the temperature fluctuates, as sudden temperature drops can slow metabolism and lead to uneaten food in the tank. Third is special considerations for different fish species. Different species of fish have unique feeding habits, so it's essential to tailor the feeding schedule to the needs of your specific fish. First is herbivorous fish. Fish like certain types of cichlids, goldfish and mollies have a diet that primarily consists of plant matter. Herbivorous fish tend to graze throughout the day in the wild, so providing small, frequent feedings can mimic their natural feeding habits. However, if you feed only once a day, morning or early afternoon is usually the best time. Second is carnivorous fish. Predatory fish such as betas, arowanas, flavorons, and some species of cichlids typically eat less frequently but require more substantial meals. These fish are often more active during daylight hours, so feeding them in the morning or early afternoon can align with their natural hunting times. Third is omnivorous fish. Most community fish like tetras, barbs, and guppies are omnivorous, meaning they eat a variety of plant and animal matter. These fish can adapt to different feeding schedules, but for a single feeding, morning is generally the best time to ensure they have enough energy throughout the day. Now that we have covered the different factors, let's discuss some practical tips for establishing the best feeding time for your fish. First is consistency is key. Fish thrive on routine. Feeding your fish at the same time every day helps them anticipate meal time, which can reduce stress and improve their overall health. Avoid overfeeding. Regardless of the time you choose to feed, be careful not to overfeed your fish. Overfeeding can lead to water quality issues such as excess waste and uneaten food decaying in the tank. A general rule is to feed only what your fish can consume in 2 to 3 minutes. Third is observe your fish. Pay attention to how your fish respond to feeding at different times. If they seem more eager to eat at a particular time of day, adjust your schedule accordingly. The behavior of your fish is one of the best indicators of the optimal feeding time. Fourth is consider automatic feeders. If your schedule does not allow for consistent feeding times, consider using an automatic feeder. This device can be programmed to dispense food at specific times, ensuring your fish are fed even when you are not around. In conclusion, the best time to feed your aquarium fish largely depends upon their natural behavior, the conditions of your tank, and the specific needs of the species you keep. For most fish, feeding in the morning shortly after the lights come on is ideal. However, always consider the unique requirements of your fish and adjust your feeding schedule accordingly. So friends, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips on keeping your aquarium healthy and thriving. Let us know in the comments when you feed your fish and any tips you have for other fish keepers. See you next time.